Welcome once again on my channel, that is Biology with Abhinav. So, in today's class, we are going to study a very important topic, that is coagulation of blood, also known as blood clotting. So as you know that in our daily lifestyle we encounter many a time we encounter several injuries by in our daily activities. So we got multiple injuries, and you can see after the injury the body starts bleeding. That is, the blood from the body starts coming out for a while, but after some time you have noticed that this blood stops coming out of the body. That is, our body responses with a kind of reaction, with a kind of action which stops the flowing of the blood outside of the body. So as you know that blood consists of three important components, that is RBC, WBC and blood platelets. So, the major component which is responsible for the coagulation of blood is blood platelets, also known as thrombocytes. These blood platelets are also known as thrombocytes. So, the basic function of these thrombocytes is help in the coagulation of blood or blood clotting. Blood clotting is a process in which the blood from the body or any injury of the body stops coming out due to some factors. So, basically blood clotting is not a single step process, it involves multiple steps. It involves multiple steps, or we can say multiple reactions. It involves multiple reactions. Also, it involves functioning of various enzymes and very important vitamin, that is vitamin K, and some ions, that is Ca2 plus ions. So these are the components which helps in the process of blood clotting. So moving forward, we will start the process to understand that how after an injury the blood starts coming out of the body and how the body responds to stop the process. So basically at the site of injury, at the site of injury at the site of injury, the platelets starts activating. The platelet start activating, and a component, that is thromboplastin, which is a very important component, helps in the formation of enzyme prothrombokinase. Prothrombinase helps in the formation of an enzyme prothrombinase. So from here you got that thromboplastin is the substance released by the injured site by the platelets, and it forms a very important enzyme, that is prothrombinase, that converts the function of prothrombinase is to convert the prothrombin into thrombin. So by now you understand that there is an important substance, that is thromboplastin, which is formed by the injured platelets, which helps in the formation of prothrombinase, and the function of prothrombinase is to convert the prothrombin into the thrombin. As you know, there is a substance, that is fibrinogen. present in the blood in its soluble form. There is a substance that is known as fibrinogen present in the blood in its soluble form. So the function of thrombin is to convert fibrinogen into fibrin, which is insoluble form. So this fibrin is a monomer and starts to polymerize. It starts its polymerization to form a mesh like structure or network at the site of injury. So when blood is coming, all the elements of blood got trapped in this network and only a little bit of plasma oozes out of the injury. So this is how the reaction is controlled, and the vitamin K and Ca2 plus ion plays a very important role in the reaction. As you can see the reaction with a flowchart form. Here you can see in the form of a flowchart that is with the help of Ca2 plus ion, here you can see the formation of thromboplastin. This thromboplastin helps in the conversion of prothrombin into thrombin. This thrombin helps in the conversion of fibrinogen into fibrin, and fibrin starts polymerizing and forms the clot. So basically the clot is formed. So this is the cyclical or stepwise process, and one important enzyme, that is thrombokinase. Participate in this process of blood clotting, and the most question asked is the vitamin which helps in the blood clotting, that is vitamin K, and the ion which is helping, that is Ca2 plus ion. This is a cyclical process, you can see in the diagram. So another important thing, how the blood is not clotting when present in our body. So there are some anticoagulants present in the blood, and one of the most important anticoagulant is heparin. This is a 1 mark question, you can learn this, that heparin does not allow the blood to clot within the body. So this is by now. In the next class we will discuss some other topic. By now you are requested to share, subscribe and comment on the